B0dy of Second Jamaican who jumped from US bridge found. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A body matching the description of one of two brothers from Jamaica who went missing last weekend after jumping from the Martha's Vineyard Bridge featured in the movie Jaws has been found, state police said on Thursday. The body was discovered by shell fishermen on the edge of a pond on Massachusetts Resort Island about 11:30 a.m., agency spokesperson David Procopio said in a statement. The body matches the description of Tavon Bolgin, 21, who has been the subject of a week-long ongoing search since he went missing on Sunday night, the statement said. The body of Chavez Bolgin, aged 26, Tavon's brother, was recovered on Monday morning. The Bolgin brothers were seasonal workers at a restaurant on the island, where much of the 1975 movie was filmed. They and two friends jumped from the bridge late Sunday night. The other two made it out of the water. Despite signs prohibiting the activity, thrill seekers are frequently seen jumping from the span. Authorities have said no foul play is suspected in the matter. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.